Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Alinga Sise of Herbal Harvest Organic Farm. For all of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I am so grateful. And for those who are still new, please kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. Today I'm super excited because we are going to mix these two wonderful herbal remedy together and give to the birds. Now, a few weeks ago, I noticed that my birds were not feeding well. I could enter my chicken house and find when almost all the feeders are having a lot of feeds, and these birds, it's already time to add the second portion of the feeds, but all the feeders are still having a lot of feeds. And I think this was due to heat stress that we talked about some time back. So I decided to combine these two things and gave them in drinking water for 5 consecutive days. And this will not only help in boosting the appetite of your birds, it will also help boosting the immunity of the birds, in egg production, in infection, so many other health benefits that it will give to the birds. So, and we are going to look at the measurements, because I've realized that so many of you are complaining about the measurements, and that is what we are going to look at, and then we shall prepare it and also give it to the birds. So please, if you're still new, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel and stay tuned till the end, and I'll be right back. So these are the two herbal remedies that we are going to mix in their drinking water to help boost on the appetite of our birds. But it doesn't only boost on the appetite, it also has so many other health benefits that we have talked about before in this channel. Now you will need 500 grams of onions, 500 grams of garlic. You will blend these two together and you will mix with 100 liters of water, and then you will give to your birds. So it will depend on the liters of water that your birds always drink. And when you're going to use it in powder form, you will need 300 grams of garlic, 300 grams of onions. Then you will mix in 100 kilograms of feeds, and you will give to your birds. And you're going to give these birds at least for 5 consecutive days, morning and evening. So that is what we are going to give to our birds today. So that is the measurement that I want us to take, okay? Don't mind about the ones I'm mixing now, because some of my drinkers already have water. So I'm just doing this to demonstrate to you. It is so windy today, eh? So if you hear so much noise, a lot of noise, please don't complain, because it is too windy. You can also just chop like this and take to your farm. Your birds will eat them all. Guys, finally our manure was taken, so you can see the chicken house is now empty and free. It was taken yesterday. So I haven't yet collected our eggs, and it's already very late. So Sì, che va.
Chị biết thế. Chị nói. Kia bạn. Sao chị ăn cái kia đi?
Kia đây. Guys, today we are collecting the eggs very late. I was so busy. Tomorrow I have a graduation. So I was busy. It's even almost getting dark. Collecting the eggs with my brother right here from the viral hunter. Yes, you can check him out and subscribe to his YouTube channel. He's also passionate about poultry farming. Oh my God. No, don't touch it. Coffee ask.
Somebody had phrase her into.
Manu nga pare.
Okay.
Here go and get a potato no la bere.
When you put about 300.
320 Cyril there. But they're still doing well. Eh?
I know it's almost like all the eggs, all the birds have laid. That's massive. The performance is so nice.
Yeah, the performance is good. Actually, this is the bird Samia has performed to my satisfaction. Eh? Based on the herbal remedies. Performance is good.
Complete.
Actually, think carry that one and put there. Eh?
Yeah?
Carry that one and put on top here.
Top
And then always
on top where this one?
Here on top here too. The sharp one always it goes down. Eh?
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
Yeah, you're right.
This one is bigger than usual. Why is this one so big?
Others are too big, others are double yolk. Eh?
Okay. Double yolk, but it's so big.
Double yolk, eh? Like the other side. Like that.
So that means that one, the fat likes to produce twin eggs.
Yeah, probably.
Twin birds.
Yeah. Twin chicks. They have video.
Okay. What do you want to back to the Congodo? What do you make with those?
Huh? Connie?
I know I take video here.
Eh.
Okay.
You did take it, you did take it. So for today, that is all I had for you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you so much for loving me. And if you're still new, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you never miss out any upload. Share this video, comment in the comment section down below, and I'll be so grateful. See you next time. I love you all. Bye-bye.